Your Excellency, the people of Kenya and the people of Botswana have a long history. And in your initial years, when you are struggling with professionals and people who can add value to the economy of this country, the people of Kenya came here in thousands, doctors, engineers, nurses. We are requesting that Your Excellency and your government to consider that those who have existing permits, unless there are adverse reports about their behavior in this great country, you kindly allow them, renew them, so that they can be able to proceed and continue to cooperate with the people of your country to build this country together. That is an area that they have requested, that there are few challenges, especially in terms of renewal of permits.